Hopefully it fixes this. No. Hey, what's up, dude? Sorry, I'm just testing things. Bear with me, Amal. I'm just literally sorting this. Hopefully it's good. Just need to somehow fix this. Go back. Currently streaming this one. Edit. Select the thumbnail. Yo, what's up, D? Sorry, the stream went really funny. It doesn't like me sometimes. I have to delete that other one. Save. Cool, that's all done. I'm gonna have to reshare this to Twitter. My stream messed up. Here's the new link. Having bad luck today. Tweet. Cool. All right, let's try this again. Let's close that. Let's go here. Yo, what's up, everybody? Start asking questions. I'm literally just fixing my screen view, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm just going to fix this. You need to be 1280 by 1720. This is fine. These are all fine. It's literally just the live chat and that. Okay. Transform, reset. Nope, that's not what I meant. Color source. Edit. 1920 by 1080. Done. And let's just stretch that up. Move it across. Sorry, guys. Literally, stream hates me. It really does. Transform, fit to screen. Hey, Tyler. Yo, what's up, dude? I'm happy it was helpful, dude. Do you know any website for machine learning? Dude, I literally haven't done any machine learning in a long time. I couldn't even answer the simple questions for that, mate. Sorry about that, dude. Let's zoom in. Can I not zoom in? It literally hates me. It hates me. All right, chat, you are wrong. Fix you. You need to be height 1080. Done. Hey, there we go. That's working. It's just alert box. That's fine. Live chat. This is fine. Donation goal can just go off for now. We don't need that on. Alrighty, transition. Boom. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. How is everybody doing? I need to apologize for the last stream a second ago. It just messed up. Really annoying. I'm just going to swap to this. No, this. Yes. There we go. All right. We can see you. Yes, that's what I want. Yeah, modified the movie app with torrent and created a complete streaming website. Nice, dude. I'd like that. Oh, now we can. My bad. Oh, wait, what is it? We can't see you. We can see you. Oh, I'm so confused. Cool. This stream is completely messing up still. Although it's supposedly on. Save. Edit. That's good. Enable. Save. Now come on. There we go. Fix that. Hey, what's up, everyone? I got a new Dell keyboard, so I can't type the best. Dude, I am literally the same. I'm waiting for a Mac keyboard to come, and this Dell one is not nice. Oh, now we can. We can see you. We can see you. We can see you. God, how far behind is the stream? Hopefully not too far. Put light latency on. How do I add 3D elements to a website? 3D elements similar to that shown by UI designers. I mean, you can use, there's different libraries for it. You can either, you don't want to do it yourself, it will take way too long. You can use Canvas, you can use 3D depth and stuff, but you probably want to use a library like free.js. I suggest looking into that. Anyway, guys, fire your questions away at me. My hair is sticking up at the back. So right, we'll fix it with the power of headphones. God. All right. Fire your questions away, guys. I am here, ready to answer. I went to the shop beforehand so I can get myself a drink because I really wanted a fizzy drink. Let me see how much this message takes to reach you. It reached me. Ta-da! Why don't you like machine learning as much as for JavaScript stuff? Machine learning just bores me, man. It's not interesting to me, dude. Amazing beard. Thanks, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I can even do the twistlies. Look, we'll get some twistlies going. Today's stream includes twistlies. How to convert UI UX design shown in Dribble to code. You need to write code out. I don't think you can unless you need to. So how to create a good UX for a website. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh wow, my latency is bad then, isn't it? Why? Is it oh, guarantee. I hate this software sometimes. No, it's on low latency. That means it should be reaching you quicker. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Sorry, okay, let me answer some questions. So how to convert a UI design shown in Dribble to code. It depends on the design, dude. That's not an answerable question. You need to write it out. You need to be writing your code. Depend on what language you need to use. Depends on what front-end framework. You can use still HTML, CSS. You can be doing it in Vue or React or whatever you want to do it in, to be honest, mate. But you just need to make sure you got it there. I'm just eating some cookies and drinking some passion fruit. Nice, dude. Love that. With all the JavaScript frameworks out there, which one do you think are must for software engineers? React definitely. Vue.js is upcoming. I 100% definitely for software engineers. Probably Angular and React, to be honest. I've not seen many like software built Vue apps, but it definitely can do it. So as well as Vue.js, I think all those top three are definitely there. Svelte is growing, but it's not on my list yet. It's not on my radar to do stuff with, so I'm just gonna leave that off. But I think React and Vue.js are my top two. Hello, this is the first stream I've actually caught you doing. Yo, what's up, Whole of England dudes? Thank you for popping by. I hope you're well, man. Hey, how's it going? HTML versus JSX, CSS versus Sass. Oh, okay, HTML over JSX because, you know, and Sass over CSS because Sass is bad, but Sass with SCSS because, you know, I like my curly braces. I don't like not having curly braces. What should I know as a software engineer? What should I know as a machine learning engineer? Again, machine learning, dude, I have no idea. Software engineer, you can definitely build. I started building software for a company in React this one time, and it wasn't bad. I mean, the workflow works really well. Obviously, you can use Electron, which is converts websites essentially into apps, but also you could be looking at C, C#. There's so many different things you can be looking at, really, dude. It's a big topic, but what should you know? I definitely think React is going to be the up-and-coming one for software. How are you? I'm good, thank you, man. How are you? Thanks for numbering Q&A. You're welcome. Ignore the other 5, which has just gone live a second ago because the stream ended like really abruptly and I had to start a new stream. I'll delete that one once this one's done. All good. Conveniently just started my lunch, so good timing. Nice one, dude. I've just started mine too. Let's have some more. Have some more what? What are we having more of, Jess? Tell me. What does software mean? Well, software can be anything. It's software is just stuff on machines, isn't it? It's a program. What's the definition of software? What would Google tell us it is? Programs and other operating information used by a computer. Yeah, so it's just software. Software. Like software could be like Chrome. It can be. You could have, like Chrome. Chrome is a piece of software on your machine, isn't it? You've got. I'm trying to think. Slack, Discord. They could be all classed as pieces of software. You've also got like. CRM systems, which could be you can have like desktop versions, like you can have all your reporting systems. You've got loads of different software. Software first is a program, they're the same thing. What is your favorite stack? Thumbs up icon doesn't show up, lol. Thumbs up icon doesn't show up. Wait, I'm confused. Software, what is your favorite stack? My favorite stack is currently the Venom stack, VENM, which is Vue, Express, Node, and Mongo. It's a kid who is just fooling around. Whoa, 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 whoa! Leave him alone. What is your not most like stack? Mean stack. I can't say that. It probably would be. It's just the Angular part of the mean stack, to be honest. I don't know. I don't really have one I hate. There's not one, because I use a few different ones, so it's not one I really hate. I think the only good thing I'm curious on is working out good color schemes. I've used palettes, but they just never seem to look that great. Currently working on my portfolio. You need to learn color theory, my dude. Color theory will really help you out. You learn what colors match, what colors don't. You don't want it too high contrast, but you don't want it too little contrast, if you know what I mean. You need to get that middle point. Your colors, right? You need to choose shades that match. You don't want to just darken it. You want to choose slightly different hue. How I work it is like I do for like a HSL sort of thing. So I'll move the hue slider up, saturation up a little. If depends which way I'm going, what I want to do. If I want a darker shade or if I want a lighter shade. But you just got to move the hue. You want to shift the hue towards blue if you're going for darker, but towards warm if you're going for a lighter color. You want to shift your saturation towards, again, higher up if you're going for a lighter color, further down or towards negative if you're going for a darker color, and then obviously your lightness, depending on what lightness is lightness. How to become a good in CSS? I know basic things in it. I can't estimate margin, padding, etc., and it feels very boring. Do you think I should move to backend as I have data structures very thoroughly? That's totally up to you, man. I can't really decide for you what you should move to. It's whatever one you prefer and which one you enjoy most, to be honest. You can go for both, you can go thingy. CSS, right? Again, you have to learn design patterns. You have to learn what's good and what isn't. But also, like, you normally have a designer do this for you, right? Like, I always have a designer who's there, sorts me out, gets everything done, and then I just build those designs. Whereas most developers who freelance they have to come up with it all themselves, and that's where you see those websites that just don't have the proper UI scale. So when I build a website, I've learned a lot of tips and tricks from my designers and my developers along the way, and they're all really good tips and tricks. Like you want to learn about where you always want to keep things standard. You want to standardize things with for websites. You don't want to put your hamburger menu in the bottom, floating in the bottom right corner, do you? Because people go like, the hell's that? What's that thing doing down there? Yeah, it's in the wrong place. People's native reaction is going top right. You want to make sure your color theory is a big part of CSS and designing process. But yeah, padding, margin, stuff like that. I always go for like a good number that you can split in two. So you want an even number. Like I normally go for about 16 padding with most things, and then I use the Minecraft sort of mindset. I do 8, 16, 32. I make sure I'm giving that spacing like 64 sort of thing. It's weird. I have this thing in my brain. I don't use like whole numbers. I don't use like 30, 50. I try to use like 32, and I don't know why. It's just it's programming, isn't it? It's what's embedded in my mind. Anyway, that's enough for that question. You can Google these questions. They are very basic. What do you mean? Can you please explain? What do you think about Svelte? I like it, but I don't. I prefer Vue over it. It's good. There's nothing wrong with Svelte, but I do prefer Vue at the minute. Ray likes to ask Tyler. He does it all the time. Yeah, exactly. He's allowed to ask me, guys. What is serverless? Serverless is... It's got a server. It's not serverless, but it basically means you ain't got sort of that like back-end system. It's more like you've got API routes, for example. So you have like a headless CMS, which is on a serverless platform, right? Like Firebase could be classed as a serverless platform. It's just cloud functions. It's it's like an API on the web where you interact with it from afar, but it's not something you build. You don't build it. You use a serverless platform, meaning you spend less time making like API. You don't make this stuff yourself. It's something you pay for. Someone else would build this API and then you would use it as a serverless functions and stuff like that. That's the best way I can explain it. Anyone, if you want to correct me if I say anything wrong, go for it. I think that's how you would explain it anyway. Okay, that's great. Thanks for the tips. I'll look into colour theory. Colour theory is important, man, definitely, especially when you're picking your colour palettes. Also, look at pre-built colour palettes. Look, if you have a colour in mind, what you want to use, then search that colour and look for colour palettes. That's another one. What is your favourite colour? Oh, it changes every week, dude. It's green at the minute, if you haven't noticed from my thumbnails. It's like the Few green. It's like a slightly less saturated Few green, but then again I like yellow as well, pink, purple. It all changes. It changes weekly. I can't even answer that question. Most basic question, I can't answer it. How and where can I start learning backend? I started with PHP and building PHP surface using WordPress. So I started off with WordPress, to be fair, and then moved into more PHP things, and then Laravel. But it depends what path you want to go down. What sort of things are you looking for? Are you looking for a job with a back end, like sort of, or are you going freelance? If you're going freelance, try a multiple out and pick the one you like best. If you're going to go for a job, again, it is up to you. Choose the one you like best, but also if you want one which is high in demand, Node.js. There's also Laravel, which is high in demand, PHP. And where you can start, there's tutorials on the internet everywhere, dude. Figure out which one you want. Let me know, and I'll see if I can find a resource for you. Kaki said, serverless is like use Bootstrap CDN lol. Yeah, exactly. Same thing, same principle. Hello from the I can't pronounce it. Republic. Hey, what's up? Sorry, I just butchered your country's name. I'm really bad at speaking recently. What was your ambitions as a kid? I wanted to play video games. But also I wanted to hack video games, and that's how I got here. Welcome. I wanted to hack video games, and bam, now I'm a web developer. Can you explain the headless CMS? Oh, you can turn WordPress into a headless CMS. That's why the only one to know. But there is different types of headless CMS. So headless CMS basically is like splitting the front end from the back end. So you know WordPress, you build it all in one, right? So you build your front end, your back end, it's all built into one. But you can split those. So you can build a front end that uses an API connection to your back end server. So let's say you put your Node.js on one server, and then you build your Vue.js app on a different, and then you just use it as a connection. That's a headless CMS because it's headless. It hasn't got that overhang. Your front end app isn't worrying about your back end application. It's kind of like, so again, with WordPress, one of the reasons WordPress is slower than other platforms is because it's all bulked into one. You split that, your front end's fast, it's using an API to connect to your back end faster than how it normally would, because it has to render everything. If that makes sense. Hello, sir. How to implement refresh tokens? Wait, sorry, there's one before that. Do you think PHP is dead? No, definitely not. Definitely not. Hello, sir. How to implement refresh tokens in front end? Refresh tokens? I don't know what you mean. Do you mean like JWA, like authentication tokens and stuff like that? That's more of a video topic, to be honest. I couldn't really explain that, if that's the case. Please make Mern more project. Mern more project. Okay, I did read that right. I can do some Mern. I will do some Mern, but at the minute I'm on the Vue.js hype and also doing some Venom stack. But I will be doing more Mern stack coming up soon. So I like to bulk my videos. I like to do Vue, like Mern, Venom. I like to try and give it all in the same ecosystem so people get that bulk of videos they can learn from, and then I'll start another topic in a few weeks later. So I'll probably be moving on to React probably next week or something like that, and doing more React stuff, and maybe I'll do a bit more Angular as well. I kind of want to do just a little bit because a lot of people liked that. Not everyone liked it, but a lot of people did like it. I'm just gonna grab my drink 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really thirsty then. All right, where are we? Let's scroll back up. Hey, Tyler, how are you? I am good, thank you, Mohammed. How are you, dude? Me too, used to... Sorry, my mic was all tilted there. Oh, God, message coming in too quick. Can you make a video, top 5 programming language to learn in 2021? Yes, that's fine. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do it. Okay, I'll do that one. Sure. Tyler, what do you think about algorithms interviews for junior front-end devs? I don't know what that means. Algorithm interviews. I've never heard of it. What is it? Tell me. Tell me about it. I want to learn. Hey, Tyler, late to the live. How was everything going? Yo, what's up, dude? It's going well, man. It's going well. You still got time as well. We still got at least, 15 minutes? Bit longer, maybe, on this stream. So you're only slightly late, dude. Don't worry about it. Welcome. I got into programming. I was watching a lot of funny YouTube programming videos, and I got a tutorial in Python. Then I got into programming. Nice, dude. Mern versus mean versus month. I hate the menth. How do you pronounce that? MEVN, right? That's why I call it the Phenom stack. I just prefer calling it. Guys, can we just make it clear? It's not the meth stack anymore. It's the Phenom stack from now on, and if any of you call it the stack, I'm deleting your comment. I will. Don't make me do it. What is your daily routine, Tyler Potts? I wake up really late. I then sprint to get my teeth brushed, make a coffee, run back to my desk before 2 minutes late to my morning call, and then I get to work. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a day in a live video for my web development at some point. Right now I'm way too busy. If I could make a video, I would. This is the perfect time to make a video, but I'd need someone else following me around because I couldn't do it myself. I haven't got enough time. Can you make a project using Firebase and React, since Firebase so damn easy to use? I'll tell you what, Firebase is amazing. I actually love it. It's one of my favorite serverless platforms. But yeah, no, definitely, dude. I will do that. What are good entry-level CS jobs? If you're a recent graduate, I am graduating from university this May. I don't know. Junior developer? I mean, junior developer is easy. Or graduate developer, as some are calling it now. I don't know. I really don't. Anyone want to answer this question? I really don't know. Algorithm interview means data structure and algorithm. Oh, you mean an interview for a specific... I thought you were saying you went to an interview where they use algorithms. I don't know. I don't do much data structure. Well, data structure and algorithms or data science, or... You know what I'm trying to say. I don't do much of that, dude. I'm more front-end, back-end, sort of simple term. Put it in simple terms. It's... The most data structure I do is to do with databases and stuff like that. So, yeah, sorry. Can't answer your question. I got my first full stack Django project coming out this week. Also, what's up, how are you doing, Ty? Congratulations, and yo, what's up, dude? How's it going, man? Welcome to the stream, my dude. Should people know algorithms as a software engineer? Yeah, definitely. I mean, you don't need to know everything, and most of the time you can Google it, so it's not necessary, but you do need to know concepts and what sort of things you need to Google. So yes, you can put some time in to learn a bit of it. Should people, just read that. Have you heard about CSS masonry layout? Yes, I've done that in a few projects. I think Firebase is too expensive. I don't know. I think it's good, especially if you're making a small app. If it's just a small app and you ain't getting much room, if you ain't getting much traffic to it, obviously it's free, right? If you're keeping it small, you're not using much, and you're getting small traffic, and you monetize that small traffic, you're getting free. And then that money, what you start generating, and if it starts getting bigger, then obviously, then you can expand. You're already making the money at that point, so you might as well pay Firebase for their services. They pay. You know, you have to pay for things, else you just can't really get it. And I think Firebase, I actually think they're quite cheap compared to most things. Like, they're what they charge you, obviously it's expensive, especially when you ain't got a revenue stream coming in. But when you do, and you've got that money to spend, it's definitely worth putting the time in to do it. I think, hey Tyler, could we see more of a portfolio review in the channel? Can we see more of... Yeah, dude, that's coming. They're coming soon, man. I'm just starting up a schedule. So Tuesday and Thursday, I think I'm going to stream. If I can, maybe. But I'm going to we'll see how it goes. Because at the minute, I'm doing videos every single day. So I'm just going to have to throw these live streams in when I can. I'll try and do one next week if possible, man. Favorite database except Firebase? Oh, no, my favorite database is MySQL. Oh, it's between Mongo and MySQL. I just prefer the old, SQL-based MySQL because I use PHP a lot. It's just easy to store things in tables, use the relationship. But at the same time, if I'm using any sort of JavaScript framework, it would be MongoDB. Same, I like to do Firebase a lot. How do you think Google can afford such a great service, including all of real-time databases for free for everyone? That's exactly the thing. The fact they have a free tier at all is incredible for how much they do. Like, just think about it. Everyone's going to be using that free tier, which is going to cost them a lot of money, and that's why their services are slightly higher, because they offer the free one. Should I use Firebase for a real-world project? I mean, if you want to, yeah, it's production ready. Same, I do. Oh no, I read that one. Should we use React and Django? I haven't really used Django too much. I haven't got really the knowledge to say it, but yes, if you like Django and you're good at it, yes. This is okay. Anyways, I started learning React and Vue thanks to your videos. You are very welcome, dudes. But yeah, no, good man. I like that. React and Vue are great. What are the other databases like Firebase for free? I don't really know many. I don't know any free ones. But yeah, Azure, GCP versus AWS. I prefer AWS. I like Amazon's web services. They're actually really good. I haven't used the other two. Can you please make a live stream called Reviewing GitHub Projects? I could, but that would just coincide with the other ones. I don't know. Maybe I'll do. I want to do some code reviews. I just need to figure out how I should do it. Reviewing GitHub projects. We'll have a look into it. Both MongoDB and MySQL are both good, but all for different reasons. Definitely. Also, D, I might do that as a actual video series, only because think about me downloading everything, getting it all set up on my machine, because, you know, I can't run it from GitHub. And whatever that is, and then reviewing the code and also reviewing the project. It's going to be a lot of cuts I need to make for that video, so it'll just be you guys watching me set things up half the time. Both MongoDB and MySQL are both good, but all for different reasons. Exactly, for different reasons. That's why I said with Node.js, and I'm using a fully JavaScript framework, I think MongoDB is the winner for that one. React pairs well with the Django, but Django is tough to learn. Fair enough. Hard learning curve. What are the tech that you want to learn in 2021? I'm all on the Phenom stack at the minute. I want to get really into Vue. I want to know everything about it. Same with React, to be fair. I want to know everything about it, but the only reason I want to know React isn't for any of my users, it's to actually teach it, because I want to teach it a bit better. Because I don't think I'm the best. I never do. But I want to get really good. So when I'm teaching, I am the person. You are learning new things every time. I don't want to teach you the same stuff over and over again. I want to teach you new things. And that's where I hit the point where I'm like, I've already taught everything I can kind of teach you guys. So I need to start learning more. Yes, got it. Future of GraphQL. I don't use it. And I don't know where to use it. I barely use GraphQL. I think I've used it once, and that was because I had to. What are the apps that you use for dev? What do you mean apps? Do you mean like apps on my machine, apps on my thing? I'll just go through what I use in general. I use VS Code, of course, for my text editor, Discord for communication, but we also use Slack and Microsoft Teams. Oh my God, I hate all of them. I just prefer Discord. It's the best one, in my opinion. But yeah, no, whatever things, I don't really use much else. Trello, I use Trello to store my thing in, to store any of my projects in, and set out loads of tasks to do. But yeah, that's about it for that, guys. I don't know about that. Can you make clones in React and Vue and Angular if you can? Yeah, I tried to do clones. Angular might be the harder one to do, because I barely use it. So I learned it the other time when I made that video, but I don't know too much. I'm definitely doing clones. I did a Twitter UI clone the other day. A lot of people want to see that done with actual functionality, so I might do that in the Phenom stack, and I could also do it in the Mern stack as well. But for now, I might try something else. Twitter was fun, but not many people wanted it redone. They just enjoyed the UI version, so that's fine. Ever heard of Neo4j? It is a graph database. I have not. Cypher query language and very interesting. I have not, but I'll look into it. What's your opinion about DevOps? Again, I don't do much of it, and I don't know too much about it, so it looks really cool, and I think I could put some time into learn it, but I just haven't yet. Anyone who doesn't know what DevOps is, it's developer operations. It's pretty much in the name. Is vanilla JavaScript a valuable skill for junior web devs to learn? Yes, and I mean, if you're doing Vue.js and you don't know vanilla JavaScript, or if you're doing React and you don't know vanilla JavaScript, you're doing it wrong. I'm sorry to say. You need to learn vanilla JavaScript before you learn anything else. You can do it. Don't get me wrong. You can do it without learning like JavaScript and that. But you're not going to be able to extend it. You're not going to be doing anything right. I hate it when people, because I've had people come to me and say, you don't need to know vanilla JavaScript to do React. I'm like, it's React is built on vanilla JavaScript. It is just vanilla JavaScript with some functions. You need to learn how to actually use vanilla JavaScript to actually extend it, do more with it, else you're just going to be doing the same thing you do with anything else. Sorry, cool, rambling. Vanilla JS versus React versus Vue. Vanilla JS wins over all of them, but Vue.js, Vanilla JS versus Vue.js, it's close, but I just like vanilla. I just like, it feels rewarding to do something in vanilla, if you get what I mean. Like, it's just rewarding. But overall, the only one what really could win is Vue.js over vanilla. I would prefer vanilla over the other two. That's for answering all my questions. You're welcome, sir. Vue.js versus React for you, always Vue.js again. I prefer using both React and Vue interchangeably over Angular because the latter is too bloated. Again, I agree. With numerous libraries, and it is easy to lose track of which files you... Also, the fact to generate components and that is so long-winded. I know you can do it different ways, but it's just... I feel like making components in Angular is so much... I know that the whole point is the CLI, but it's long-winded for me. I messed up because I was taught jQuery before vanilla. That's not messing up, dude. I was taught jQuery before I learned vanilla, but it actually helped me learn vanilla easier, because, you know, it's just how it is. Like, don't get me wrong, you haven't messed up. Obviously, jQuery is now going to be more comfortable to you, but just take some time to think about vanilla and learn vanilla a bit more in depth. Have you read a book named Eloquent JavaScript, or what would you recommend for JS? I don't read books. The only book I've read recently is Florin Pop's ebook, but that's it. Good books for React and Vue.js. Again, I don't read books, I'm sorry. Everyone's going to be like, you don't read books? What is wrong with you? Rate the book you don't know. I haven't read it. I don't read books. I am learning TensorFlow. Is it hard so much? No, actually saying that, that's one of the things I've done to build a chatbot before, is use TensorFlow, because it's really good to use, and it's actually quite easy. Obviously, it's machine learning, but it's really good. I like that one. TensorFlow is good. All right, guys, we have about 5 minutes from I'm going to end the stream. So fire all your questions at me. Fire every single one you good. Books are a swear word, lol. It's hard for me at first. Yeah, no, it's not. By easy, I meant as in it's easy compared to, you know, there's a lot of machine learning. Machine learning, it's a good starter into it. What backend node frameworks do you use? Bootstrap, production grade apps. Express. I don't know. I don't use it that much. So I'm literally, my day job, when you're talking about production grade stuff, I don't do much of production in Node or React or Vue. It's just all I build apps. I build like Vue. I've built a few apps which I've posted. But otherwise, I just haven't done it too much. I can't really answer your question, dude. Sorry. Do you read articles? Yeah, I read articles. That's something I do. I read stuff. I don't just not read. I just don't read books because sitting there with a book or even an ebook, it's just, I don't know, it's just too long. I skim through things. For someone that hasn't read any books, please give a rating for all the books you haven't read. Good idea. All right, so the first book we're going to be talking about is... Next question. Are you programmer in firm or freelancer? I'm both, dude. I have a company I work for, but also I do some freelance on the side every so often. I'm trying not to, though. What are the websites that you read articles? CSS Tricks, good one. If you're in CSS, of course. Another one would be... Sorry, my phone just lit up like crazy. People are messaging me. What's another one? Def2 is great. I love that. I like Florin Pops when he does post them. He's really good at writing. He's generally really good. And there's a few others, but I can't think. You guys put me on the spot. I also like reading off Reddit too. They're not articles, but you know, I like reading the feeds. What is your next video for 31 Days Friday? That is my last question. Oof, I don't know. What do you guys want me to do for my next video? I haven't prepared it. It's got to be prepared today. So tell me, what do you guys want? Do you do freelancing? Yes. What is fragment in vanilla? What is fragment? I don't know what you mean. Could you fragment? I don't know. Dragon. Hey, what's up? Hey, Sarah. How's it going? I assume you're Sarah, unless there's someone else with the same gaming name. Hey, Sarah. hope I'm right. Just gonna be talking. Someone's gonna be like, "What? My name's Dave." Ha 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 ha. Oh, hey, Nate. Kane, hi dude, man. Welcome back. How's it going, man? I hope you're doing well. It's going good. I am Sarah. Yes, I got it right. I knew it. I got it. How is 2021? 2021 is like, it's weird. It's like, I'm ready. I'm hyper. I'm going to complete this year and I'm going to get a trophy, platinum trophy saying mastered 2021. We need full-fledged Flutter video because it's 20. I haven't done Flutter. I don't use Flutter. I'll look into it. I am going for it, but I ain't starting it yet. Plans for 2021? I have none. No. I'm planning to really push my YouTube channel. I'm planning to push a lot of courses and tutorials. I'm just planning. My aim, right, is this going to sound. Don't take this the wrong way. I know a lot of people, but I want to build I want to build loads of passive income streams. I want to be building. So YouTube is a great one. I want to build that many that if I lost my job the next day, I'd be fine. Like, I want to build passive income streams. So if you see me throwing stuff out there about money and or donate to me or whatever, it's because I'm trying to build these passive income streams to help me put more time and effort into my YouTube channel. And I know a lot of people think, oh, he's just trying to do it for money, which is fair. I mean, I am. I mean, most of my things are money. Also, at the same time, I do love teaching. So that's why I want to do more of the YouTube channel stuff. Like, there's a lot of other things I could have done. I could have done I could have done one of those things where I just talked about money all the time to make more money. Like, I do the motivation things. They make money quicker. But the teaching part is the fun part. It's what I like doing. So that's kind of why I'm pushing to earn more money so I can upgrade my stuff. Like, at the minute, I've got a sheet hanging back there. I want to get a green screen, a pull-down green screen. But I need to save up money to do that because I've got to buy other things before I can even get that. That's why I need a new gaming rig. Not for gaming. I'm just building it prepared for gaming so it's multi-purpose use. I need to build a whole new PC because I don't have a Windows machine. And for web development, right, it's not a massive deal, but it is a massive deal. I need a Windows machine, and I thought I might as well build a powerful one so I could do some Unity tutorials and all the other good stuff. Should I learn Tailwind? Definitely look into it. But I don't know. I don't know if you need to fully go that far. It's up to you. It depends what you want to learn. Tailwind is good, so have a look into it and see if you like it. Then make React.js video series. Wait, what? React is my worst earning series. Fact, Vue.js is my highest earning series, and I don't know why. They get less views from React videos, but it earns more because people from... So this could sound weird, right? But people from the USA, any USA people, hello, make more money when they watch my videos than someone who... Yo, sorry, just to stop quickly, Nate UK has just donated £10 towards the stream. Can we give Nate a massive shout out? Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. And that will go towards that green screen. I'll even pull it. I need like a list. I need to make a note of. Actually, it'll give me it in the back end. I'm going to write your name somewhere, dude. And I'm going to do stuff towards people who donate over a certain amount. Because people, I've said that before, and someone donated me a penny and was like, good job. But, you know, thank you, Nate. I really appreciate it, man. That's the thing. This is what I try to do. But I hope I bring value to you. I hope it's not just, you're not just donating because, you know, you want to help. I want to bring value to you. So I hope I've brought value to you with the videos I do to earn that £10, if that makes sense. I can't remember what I was saying, but I'm just going to say I've blown, my head's mind blown. Sarah, family's doing good. How's Louis and your family doing? How's my best friend doing, and how is your family doing? Nate UK just super chatted £10. Thanks, Streamlabs. You told me a bit late. YouTube's quicker than you, dude. But yeah, no. Nate. Right, sorry, there was a message that wasn't coming through. I got it. In it together. Yo, thanks, Nate, man. I appreciate it. Should I be a full stack dev because I know React, Python, Flask, or should I be a machine learning? Ooh, which one do you prefer? Do you enjoy React more, or do you enjoy machine learning more? Whichever one you enjoy most, go for that route because you should be a full stack developer. I feel like you're learning that stack, so yes. But also, But also, don't get me wrong, if you want to go down that machine learning route, you can implement that in your full stack knowledge. And just like that, it's just great. So, yeah. It's just crazy, man. I don't know. Best resource for learning MongoDB and Mongoose. The documentation, but they can be a bit confusing, especially with, like, their $set-like stuff. But I think Brad Traversy, sorry, that's his real name. Traversy Media, that YouTube channel, right? It has a great Mongo crash course, right? And if you look at that Node.js and Mongo crash course, it'll really help you out with learning Mongoose. Thanks for making the 31 days challenge videos. Made them, added it to my resume to my first job of my life. Yo, dude, that's awesome, man. Thanks for letting me know that. Dude, I'm going to keep making them. I do them every year. January is my little going hard. I want to start the year hard every year. It's been hard. Louis is doing great. I keep annoying him as usual, staying strong during these hard times. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's not been great for everyone. For me, it's been good. I've had a great year. 2020 was good for me, but also, obviously, I know a lot of people struggled, so I've been trying to help out where I can on YouTube. And now I've been doing mentorships. I've been teaching people how to code and stuff in my personal time. So yeah, that's kind of what it's been good for me, and not great for everyone, but I'm hoping I can help people out with that. Fragment is equal to document.create document fragment. I don't know. I haven't learned that. Oh, create doc. That's a template. Sorry, that's like using the shadow DOM. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know, but I've seen it before, and I think it's what React uses, I think. I'm pretty sure it uses, because you can do the dot fragment in React as well. But I don't know, to be honest, so I can't give you 100% answer on that. Professor Mira, I've been doing the same, keeping content coming out. Yes, I love the videos, by the way. I'm enjoying it. I've been seeing them, they keep getting posted in the gaming group chat we're in, Discord chat. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to have to end this stream here. It has been an incredible stream. Massive shout out to Nate UK for the £10 donation towards the green screen. I'm going to get that. I'm going to put that directly towards the green screen. Also, there's a message that was YouTube blocked. I'm just undoing it. What was I going to say? There it is. How to remember all HTML, CSS properties. There's so many. You don't. Just Google it. Know what you want to do and then Google it if you forget. And then slowly you'll learn. But anyway, favourite game? Minecraft. Anyway, guys, thank you all for tuning into today's stream. It's been great. You're awesome. Don't forget to like the stream. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment as well. Just asking more questions if you want. I'll try and get round to them. But anyway, guys, thank you all for tuning in. You've all been awesome. Thank you very much, and peace out.